a plumber gonna show up in your place and you ask him for a repair, the labor is the most expensive part of the job, right? It's not the parts, it's the labor that is expensive. So plumber go after parts, or you already have the parts, he repair the faucet for you. A faucet that is 7 years old, 10 years old, how long do you expect that faucet to last? You have spent a lot of money to repair that faucet. Hopefully you can get 2 more years or 3 or 5 more years out of it, right? Versus nowadays, faucets, kitchen faucets are cheap. So you can get a cheap faucet. I'm not saying that cheap faucet is always a good option. Like, I mean, if you can afford it, get more expensive faucets. For 500 bucks, you can get a very good faucet. For 80 bucks, you can get a cheap faucet. That cheap faucet, it depends on the brand. It can still last you quite long time. Like, let's say between 3 to 5, 6, 7 years, right? So you pay a plumber for repairing a faucet that is already 5 years old, and it might last you 1 more year if you're lucky, or 2 more years if you're lucky, and then you have to pay a plumber again and you buy a new faucet again, right? So you're doubling your expenses. So my advice to you is always look at the faucet, see how old the faucet is, or how old it looks like, right? Or ask the plumber if it's really worth the repair, right? And he might advise you to install a new one, and listen to professional advice all the time. So I tell you this, and it's true, in 90% of cases, it's better to replace the whole faucet than repairing it when it comes to kitchen and bathroom faucets.